What if I told you there's a beach in Jamaica where you can literally walk through history while your toes dig into the sand? I'm talking ancient sugar pots from a real plantation, turquoise water, and good food. So picture this, you're at the beach, but instead of the usual beach vibes, you're surrounded by massive metal pots that are hundreds of years old. These are the actual pots where sugar was made back in the day. It's like stepping into a time machine. Except you're in your bathing suit and there's a cold drink waiting for you at the bar. Welcome to Sugar Pot Ruins Beach in St. Mary. And this place is something special. Sugar Pot takes the weight of history and blends it with pure beach paradise. You get to learn, relax, and eat some seriously incredible food, all in one spot. Walking around these huge sugar pots and ruins is wild. It's like an outdoor museum that you can touch, explore, and really feel.
So according to the waitress, Sugar Pot Ruins is a former sugarcane plantation, and these pots is where they used to make the sugar. And I think there's another one, I got a picture of it over there. But Sugar Pot Ruins is a former sugarcane plantation, and some of the ruins are still here.
Now it's a place where families come to swim, laugh, and make new memories. The beach itself is huge, but it still feels cozy. It's got this vibe like you found your own little slice of heaven. Maybe it's the way the trees frame the coastline, or how the seating areas are spread out just right. Whatever it is, you don't feel crowded or overwhelmed. You feel like you're exactly where you're supposed to be. This is the kind of beach that makes you want to float for hours and forget that responsibilities exist. Soft waves, no rocky entry points, just pure easy swimming that you would love. And the food was delicious. I ordered fried fish with sweet potato wedges. The fish was perfectly crispy on the outside, flaky and tender on the inside. The wedges were sweet, savory, and cooked just right. Now here's the cool part. I got to meet Diamond Sterling, the head chef and manager of Sugar Pot, and her cousin Ashley. Super nice lady. She owns Sugar Pot with her mom, and they run it with Ashley. This is a family operation, and they've been doing it for over 16 years. That's not luck, that's dedication, and knowing how to treat people right. Diamond broke down how Sugar Pot works.
Diamond Sterling, that is. I'm the manager for Sugar Pot. I make sure this beautiful place stays properly and keep well up to date. Should I say Jack of all trade, I'm queen of all trade. Yeah. Mom is my business partner, but currently she's not here, so
it's a family-owned business.
It's definitely a family-owned business. It is run by me and my beautiful mom. 16 years. June the 21st makes it 16 years. So this month is actually our anniversary.
Okay,
Been
that's
open
nice.
since 2009. But Sugar Pot property now, they used to export sugar canes and make sugar in those we call them pot. I can't remember the name at the moment.
Let's say the big pot there.
Those big metal pots. So they used to boil the sugar in those, and there was once a pair here, so they used to export it here to England, and that's how we get our name, Sugar Pot Beach. We do like parties, we do bonfire reservation, picnic bonfire, birthdays, memorials, any gathering, we cater for those stuff. You can find us on Instagram as Sugar Pot Beach, and you can find us on Facebook at Sugar Pot Ruins Beach Bar and Restaurant. When we cook freshly cooked meals, it might take a little bit of time, but I'm sure you're gonna get a good plate of food.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Because everything is freshly cooked here.
Okay.
So when you come up on arrival, you ask the bartender. Sorry, I should have labeled her as bartender. And she's also princess of all trade. So you ask Ashley and she'll give you the daily menu.
It's Ashley. Okay.
Here's something else I really appreciated. You can bring your own food if you want. A lot of places will charge you crazy fees or flat out say no, but Sugar Pot keeps it real. There is an entry fee to get onto the beach, but once you're in, you've got options. Want to pack a cooler with your own snacks? Go ahead. Want to support the restaurant and try their amazing food? Even better. The whole vibe at Sugar Pot is just chill. It's not trying to be something it's not. It's not pretending to be a fancy resort or some over-the-top tourist attraction. It's a family-owned beach with heart, history, and really good fried fish. And honestly, that's exactly what makes it so special. They remind you that Jamaica isn't just about the big resorts and the spots everybody talks about. It's about these hidden gems where Jamaicans are inviting you to be part of their experience. Sugar Pot isn't just a beach, it's a story. It's a connection to the past and a celebration of the present. So if you're planning a trip to Jamaica and you want something different, something with meaning, flavor, and those perfect beach vibes, you need to check out Sugar Pot Beach. Walk around those sugar pots, feel the history. Then grab a seat, order that fried fish, and let the waves do their magic.